on this road just 2 days ago with 2 feet of snow on it, and it was plowed. Now the Blizzard got another fresh foot. Woo! A little bit less than 2 miles an hour.
It's a video camera, Dad. Oh.
I told you that like 50 times now. It's a video camera. It's not a still camera.
Woo! Does it record sound?
It's 2 miles out. That is Blizzard.
Steven El Dicko. Shoot the GPS for verification.
Throw the light on.
Tap the power button.
Which one's the power? I think it's on the other side. Oh, there it is.
Hand to hand, men who fight night and day.
Back we go. Giddy up. You gotta cut through there, but that giant black dot is the giant moose.
Silver wings upon their chest. These are men, America's best. 100 men.
That is one big head.
Will pass today, but only
2 moose. Another moose is back to the right of it.
green beret.
Hopefully it's not a baby.
Back at home, a young wife waits. Her green beret has met his fate. He has died for those oppressed, leaving her this last request. Put silver wings on my son's chest. Make him one of America's best. He'll be a man they'll test one day. Have him win the green book.